Welcome to our video on how to prevent your Quaker parrot's beak from becoming overgrown. If you're a proud parrot owner looking to keep your feathered friend healthy and happy, you're in the right place. An overgrown beak in Quaker parrots can be caused by several factors, including lack of proper diet, insufficient chewing opportunities, and underlying health issues. To prevent your Quaker parrot's beak from becoming overgrown, ensure they have a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, and provide plenty of toys and natural wood to chew on. By following these tips and keeping an eye on your parrot's beak, you can help maintain its health and prevent overgrowth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks for your feathered friends.